In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own online Shopify store as a beginner in 2022. So, if you're eager to jump into the world of e-commerce but are unsure where to start, you're in the right place. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the essential process of creating a Shopify store step by step, ensuring you have a robust foundation to build your online business. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to make your way to your Shopify account homepage. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to create an account and log in. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard full of options. Feel free to explore, but for now, let's focus on the task at hand. Next, you'll need to click on Online Store from the menu. This section is your gateway to customizing how customers will interact with your virtual storefront. It's where your creativity can shine as you decide on the aesthetic and functionalities of your site. Moving along, find and click on the Theme Library. This is where the fun begins. Shopify offers a wide array of themes that act as the blueprint for your store's layout and design. Remember, your theme not only affects aesthetics but can also impact customer experience, so choose thoughtfully. Once you've accessed the theme library, you'll see an option to design your store in seconds. This tool is incredibly useful for getting a quick preview of different design styles. Experiment with various themes to see which one aligns best with your brand's identity. Don't rush this decision, as it will shape the first impression customers get when visiting your store. After settling on a style, it's time to explore the popular free themes. These themes are not only cost-effective, but are also quite versatile and user-friendly, a great starting point for beginners. Browse through the options available and select one that resonates with the message and tone you wish to convey through your store. As you continue your exploration, don't forget to visit the theme store for even more selections. This gives you access to a broader range of styles, both free and premium. If you find a theme that you absolutely adore, it might be worth investing in a premium option to make your store truly stand out. Each theme comes with detailed information and demos that allow you to visualize potential configurations for your store. And there you have it, the foundational steps to setting up your Shopify store. As you continue building your store, remember that the most successful online shops continuously adapt and refine based on customer feedback and evolving trends. Keep exploring Shopify's features and let your creativity guide your choices as you grow your online presence. Thank you for following along with this guide. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.